Hello everyone! Welcome back to MJ Pharma. Today, we will quickly go through the drug of choice for renal system diseases. From UTIs to nephrotic syndrome, these are the essential first-line treatments you need to know. Let's dive right in. Drug of choice for rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis, RPGN. Cyclophosphamide. Drug of choice for lupus nephritis. Cyclophosphamide. Drug of choice for nephrotic syndrome. Steroids. Drug of choice for steroid-resistant nephrotic syndrome. Cyclosporin. Drug of choice for steroid-dependent nephrotic syndrome. Cyclophosphamide. Drug of choice for urinary retention. Befanacal. Drug of choice for enuresis. Imipramine. Drug of choice for hemorrhagic cystitis. Mesna. Drug of choice for patient allergic to thiazides and loop diuretics. Ethacrynic acid. Drug of choice for forced alkaline diuresis. Furosemide. Drug of choice for cerebral edema. Mannitol, osmotic diuretic. Drug of choice for malignant hypertension. Furosemide. Drug of choice for edema and liver cirrhosis. Furosemide. Drug of choice for hypercalcemia. Furosemide, loop diuretic. Drug of choice for edema and congestive heart failure. Furosemide. Drug of choice for edema and renal failure. Furosemide. Drug of choice for idiopathic hypercalciuria. Thiazide-like hydrochlorothiazide. Drug of choice for calciuria due to hyperparathyroidism. Thiazides. Drug of choice for nephrogenic diabetes insipidus. Thiazides. Drug of choice for lithium-induced nephropathy. Thiazides. Drug of choice for hyperuricemia and renal failure. Allopurinol, xanthine oxidase inhibitor. Drug of choice for gout and renal failure. Allopurinol, xanthine oxidase inhibitor. Drug of choice for Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. Allopurinol, xanthine oxidase inhibitor. Drug of choice for urate nephropathy. Allopurinol, xanthine oxidase inhibitor. Drug of choice for alkalization of urine. Acetazolamide. Drug of choice for Conn syndrome primary hyperaldosteronism. Spironolactone. Drug of choice for secondary hyperaldosteronism. Spironolactone. Drug of choice for thiazide-induced hypokalemia. Spironolactone. This content is for educational awareness only. Always seek professional guidance before prescribing or using any medication. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with MJ Pharma.